said, you said, you said,
What's up, guys? You're watching another video. After an hour-and-a-half drive, we have made it here to Willow Springs International Raceway. We've been here before in my drift car a couple times. We've even been here once in the GTR. We did a shift sector here where we did like drag racing in the GTR. There's a bunch of different tracks here. Drift tracks, a straightaway, and then there's like a road course track over there. But we're here today because Sam, if you guys remember in the last video, we loaded up the trailer with the E36, and I thought I'd come out here and get some content for you guys. See him drift. I know you guys love seeing drift cars, and Sam's about to tear it up in the E36 M3. I'm excited. I think he has like 20 tires to go through, so a lot of drifting today. Hopefully we can get a little ride along. What was that? We just went in there to put our names down, and they said there's no ride alongs, but we're gonna try to finesse a way to get a ride along with Sam, because I gotta go in that drift car, bro. That would be fun to go on. Look, I would love to do like a circuit racing, like not drifting, like actual race course would be really, really fun. Maybe with the F80 or something. Definitely need like a track car. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button right now, smash the like button, because today's video is gonna be sick. And look at that Supra, guys. Just a random abandoned Supra. Nah, it's not abandoned. That shit looks pretty clean. It's all OEM too. Does someone live there? Also, guys, my cheek still hurts. If you guys didn't see the last video, I bit myself so bad, bro, and I'm in so much pain. I can't even talk right. I can't even eat. It sucks. It's all bad, but... Who, Sam? Can I drive?
Drive what?
Your car?
Truck?
I want to drive Sam's drift car. I don't know if Sam would ever let me. Mustang. F80. Horse. Alright, guys, we made it. We made it to the track. I think there's, I don't know, there's a lot of tracks here. Like I said, that's the road course one, I think. You'll see some cars fly by. But this one, you guys might remember, we brought the E46 to this one. A couple times, actually. Got the E36, got a bunch of tires. Here he goes. Warming it up a little bit. That's what I was saying. I hope there's no snakes.
Are there?
I don't know. Tarantulas?
Are there?
I'm just kidding.
Are you serious?
Oh, there's one right there.
Stop it. Don't fucking...
Like I said in the last video, Sam's out here because he's testing his car. He put a bigger motor in it, so they're tuning it and stuff like that. And right now it's pretty much like a test and tune day. So I think they're finalizing the tune on it, and then he's really gonna start ripping it and practicing. So something happened. What happened? The gas pedal?
He broke something, but Sam's gonna...
I think the gas pedal broke, guys. Or the cable.
So we broke the cable. We're about to make one. That's the Lebanese way. Lebanese. Sorry, yes.
and a nut.
They're testing it out. They did a little pull, and I guess the cable to the gas pedal broke. I think. I don't know. Ask Sam right now, but we're stranded in the middle of nowhere. Sam had to make his own cable somehow and make it work. So hopefully it works, because that would suck. Because we've only been here for about 10 minutes. Yeah, this thing is sick, guys. So sick. Little waist gates, all titanium. Then my car has the hood exit, so I have this whole exhaust coming straight out the hood. But Sam has it all the way to the bottom and out the back. It's pretty sick. 2 little exhaust tips, if you can see them. Pretty sick. The reason why is because in Formula Drift, you can't have the hood exit, so you have to run it out the back. Alright guys, after about 30 minutes, they finally got the car back and running. Let's get some content. This is so sick. That shit is insane. He's going so fast, bro. We're leaving, guys. Sam's car broke. Did it break? I don't know. Alright, guys. Now we made it back to 412. They got the 6x6 out. I think we're gonna film this today. But yeah, unfortunately, we only got to see Sam drift like a couple times, but whatever. We'll see what else we do today. But we made it back. Made it out here to Hollywood. It's super early. I'm exhausted. God damn, that super sounds crazy. Today we got a pretty cool cruise. We've been here before in the vlogs. You guys might remember it when we walk around right now, but huge cruise today. Bunch of supercars. It's gonna be sick. Look at the Mercy. You can already tell by the cars that are here. Freaking orange Mercy, guys. On HREs. Sheesh. Got my boys M4 here. Got my F80. Beamer boys. And then we got Mr. Peter Mac in the V. Slow boys. Oh my god, look at those cars pulling up together. RX-7 and a Supra. Both of those are so freaking sick. Literally like JDM legends right there, guys. Which one do you guys take? RX-7 or Supra? That's a hard choice, huh? That would be actually a very hard choice if I had to take those two. Between those two. Holy shit. That shit is loud. Damn, Peter got a lip on the V and side skirts. That shit looks way better with the lip. Big baller. Oh my god. That shit hard. Bro, this RX-7 sounds insane. Man, that shit is sick. Oh my god damn, bro. Those yellow headlights? Bro, this is pretty sick. That's some futuristic shit right there. Damn, that shit hard.
The rear tires.
Boy, I actually like that car. This shit hard. Turbo S? Damn, the turbos are loud. Damn. Bro, look at this Supra. This shit is beautiful, bro. Look at the cup holder.
I know, I saw that shit.
That cup holder is so funny. TEs, it's red. That shit fire. Damn. I want a Supra so bad. I feel like this thing makes it look like a little RC car, huh? The big old antenna. It's crazy. Usually this meat gets stupid packed, but it's not that crazy today. The G80 satin black. Color's so nice. I want to do a car satin black, guys. I still haven't done it. I've been talking about it, but I haven't done it. I was gonna do the GTR satin black, and then I want to do the F80 satin black too. I don't know. I just want a satin black car. I've never done that color. All my wraps have been like super high gloss. This thing's nice. Mercy that we saw rolling in. Super sick. It's crazy because these cars are so old, but they still look so good. Everyone loves them. That RX-7. This thing was so loud, bro, when I was pulling up. It literally just downshifted and then it shot a big ass flame. Damn, that shit's nice. Look at the interior. Race car. Damn, that shit is sick. Also, a very old car and it looks so good. Hey guys, usually this meet is stupid packed. And cars line up in the middle, but not that many cars today. Aight. Wide body. That shit nice. R8. Well, it's literally almost the same wrap as my GTR that I had. Damn, that thing looks sick, bro. Look at that color shift wrap. Sheesh, center exit exhaust too. That's just so nice. Still want one, guys. But I don't think I'm gonna go on it because there's not that many cars, to be honest. But we got some of the BMW with us. Oh my god, that flew almost hit my car!
So scared?
Bro!
She thought we were gonna run her over.
Dude, our cars are so loud together. I did a big ass pop next to him, guys. He said he's deaf.
After I hung up, I was thinking like, dead ass, I can't hear, bro. Yours is louder. Like officially, like I don't care. Like,
it sounds so crazy when we're both driving up the street and we're just freaking
like
full burbles on.
Like your ear goes numb, like that vibration. That's how I felt, bro.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga.